Okay guys, so I'm still working on doing the cleaning. So I'm at the stage where I'm in the kitchen right now. I wash the dishes and these are the vase and stuff that I'm gonna use on the TV console. Maybe not all of them, maybe just this big one here. So I'm gonna use that. Um, I'm not decorating the kitchen like all that, so you'll just see little splashes of fall. Like for instance, this here, I'm using it. It's not for that purpose, but I'm just using it for that to hold like the brush and the scrubbing thing for the dishes. Then basically, just basic little stuff, not too much of anything. My daughter gave me these ramen. I don't know where to put them, and there's still more in the bag here. I gotta find some place to put them. Then I gotta sweep and mop. I'm gonna get rid of that mat there, replace it with this one. I still have the TV console in the living room to paint, so we go do those stuff. Alright guys, so I thought I was recording but I wasn't. But this bowl here, I got it from TJ Maxx maybe 2 years ago, and during the move it ended up in the basement, and there was a water leak in the basement and everything just got messed up down there. As you can see on the handle here, it got corroded and all that. Before I thought I was recording, this was looking dry and thirsty and all of that. So what I was telling you guys is that I am gonna use the feed and wax to revitalize it, and after rubbing it on, this is what it's looking like. Nice and shiny, you know what I mean? So whatever is in here, which is just a bag of beans and the liner for the air fryer, that's all I'm gonna put in here. And then I'm gonna put this on top of the air fryer. Counter is clean, floor has been swept and mopped, dishes has been washed, the recycle stuff has been taken out, and yes, I know I look dusty and crusty and shine. I've been working all day. It's now 4:57 and I've been up since like 4:30. No lie. Haven't ate, sat. I drank 2 ginger ale. Yeah. So now these are garbage. Right? These are the vase that I'm gonna put. I washed them. They too were in the basement, because that's where I kept all the stuff that couldn't fit in the apartment, in the basement. So I have these. I know I'm gonna put, oh god, that frightened me. I know I'm gonna put this one on the TV console. Still not sure where I'm gonna put this. I may leave this one in the kitchen and put some flowers in there, but as for this one, I'm not sure. Alright, so I did go ahead and paint the bottom of the console. As you guys saw, it said fast dry, and trust me, it's really fast dry. It's already dry. I'm gonna lightly sand it. And give it another coat, and we should be good with that. So as far as the kitchen goes, like I said, the only thing I have to do is to polish the floor. So these are some of the table racks, dish towels that I got at Burlington. Love this. I love it. This was in my shopping haul. So that's just gonna go on the refrigerator. And then these ones, the plain, they're not really plain, they have like design on it. I'm gonna put this on the stove handle. Let me fold this up. Alright, so you could say a little something. So I'm putting it on the stove handle. Right. I picked up some gourds from Home Depot. So hey guys, I am at Home Depot again, believe it or not. I am here. Another Home Depot run. Don't believe me? Yeah, I'm here again, guys. Alright guys, I'm over in the pumpkins gardens area, and these pumpkins comes in all colors, sizes, textures. Look at this one. Oh my god, looks like cauliflower. I need pumpkin, but I'm not buying a pumpkin for $12 just to go sit outside my door. I'm not doing that. I need some mums, but I think I'm gonna get them at Walmart. They got the gourds, and I think I might get a few of these for the kitchen. Alright guys, so I got a cart. I'm gonna try to find the ones that could sit. You know, you like one of this, I like that. That cannot. I mean, it really don't necessarily have to sit as long as I get them in a nice coordinated look. Already look like flies, so I'm messing with them. I don't like that. I don't like that. This one is kind of unique. I need a green one. I'm gonna be, it's already over here, you guys can see that. So the hurdle is almost done for me. I just have the kitchen floor to polish, so I'm using this and I'm using this, and yeah, so the floor has a like a, let me show you guys. You guys could see it, it's not shiny or nothing like that, it just look cloudy, and I hate seeing it like that. So I'm gonna put some polish, liquid polish, and it's gonna give it a nice shiny a shine look. I don't know how to say that, but give it a sheen. It's gonna give it a sheen. It's not even making it look nice, it's making it look you know that gritty look when you do walls? That's the look I'm getting. I don't want that. I don't know if when it dry, it's gonna look different. Or maybe I should use a sponge. I had a sponge, I just don't know where it is. I don't like the texture I'm getting from it. Let me show you guys. So that's the texture I'm getting. You could already see it's giving like a shiny look, but I don't like the texture, so I'm gonna see if I find a piece of sponge. Now I gotta go down on my knee. That's what I didn't want to do. I'm actually gonna try this one. It's more softer, so I'm gonna try this one. Same thing. Same texture, guys. Maybe I should have just left it and see if when it dry, it would dry different. Yeah, guys, it's giving the same texture, so I don't know. If it's giving the same texture, I might as well use this one. That way I could be standing instead of bending over. So let's just proceed. That's good, but it seems as if it's drying. Oh, I want it to dry? Maybe not, I don't know. I'm just gonna proceed. When it's done, I'll show you guys. So I wanted to show you guys the floor. So this is the floor. It has a little sheen to it compared to how it looked before, and it didn't leave it does have a little, because of the roller I use, it did leave a little textured kind of look to it, but it's not looking bad. The kitchen is done, and I'm just gonna put the rug down. Yay, I'm done with the kitchen. I'm gonna show you guys what it's looking like. All right, are you guys ready for this? And when I say this, I mean my little tiny kitchen. And oh, I decorated it for fall, very minimal and all of that, because it's small, so you can't do too much, right? So let's go. So walking in, we have some dish towel here, the stove, some gourds over there, some tea. Have to find something to put those in. And then over here I have these fancy little foxes, right? My candle, I should have lighted it for you guys. Then these don't even belong in the kitchen. I think I'm gonna leave this tiny one, but I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it yet. But they're just sitting there until I'm ready to put them away. Then moving on over to the sink area. Not much, guys. I've had this little thingamajiggy here for a while, and I have nothing to put these things in, so I said let me just put them there, right? And then there's not much going on over here except for the dishes that got washed and didn't get put away yet, garbage and recyclables in that little corner there. Then moving on around, it's just the refrigerator with one more of those cute, delicious looking hand towels, dish towel. Then over by the little coffee bar area, I just kind of put these cups here. In the other home I had something attached to the wall that I put my cups on, but since I moved I can't find it, and I got them from IKEA. And I'm not going to IKEA for nothing. So this is what the coffee bar area is looking like. Nothing over the top. The only thing there to say that it's fall is the cups, which is fine by me. Right? I like this one right here. Foxy. And then over this area here, not much either. I still have to find something As a matter of fact, I just said I had nothing to put these in, so bam, I could put the teas in here, right? Let me wash it first, then I'm gonna put the tea in that. See, we're finding places. Oh, I didn't show you guys, I have my filtered water jug right here. And yeah, that's it for the kitchen. That is it for the kitchen. Some of those stuff down there have to go, but yes guys, when I say I have no space, look at the top of my cabinet. But we gotta work with it. It's 7:30 now. I know, because that's the time the kids go to bed. Okay, so yes, that is it for the kitchen. How I set it up, I went ahead and I washed the bottle out. I lit the candle. My plug-in is over here that I didn't even show you guys. Oh, and the little bowl, that's what that little corner is looking like. And we are done with the kitchen. It's nice and clean. I love the rug. It's nice and soft, and it matches the wallpaper that I got, so everything is just cohesive. Love it.